Hello, my name is Martin and I'm a server here at Saltine, the #1 restaurant in Norfolk. And today we're going to make an ahi tuna poke. And we're going to start with some ahi tuna. We're going to add a little bit of garlic, minced, soy sauce. Somewhere we have sesame oil. Yes. I throw in a little Yazoo ponzu because the acid that, if we let it cook long enough, would cook the tuna. And then we mix, making sure we get all the garlic broken up, everything nicely coated. Then we're going to add some sesame seeds. Mix a little more. Then we will plate it on some of our house-made tostada chips. Top it off with a little seaweed salad. And then finish with some more sesame seeds. You have our ahi tuna poke.